Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to change your username and display name on X. If you want to personalize your profile or update it for any region, this guide will help you out. First of all, launch the X app open on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of X, go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. On the next page, click on Your Account. Now, click on Account Information and you'll be taken to this page. Here you can easily change your username. Go to the Username tab and tap on it, and then write down a new username. Click Continue in the pop-up when asked and type in a new username for yourself. After typing down a username, just make sure that it is a unique one and then click on Done at the top right. Soon after you do that, your username on X profile will be changed. Now, similarly, if you want to change your display name, click on your profile icon from the home page at the top left again, and then click on Profile from the menu. Now click on Edit Profile. On the next page, go to the Name tab and type down a new name by erasing your current one. After you are done, click Save at the top right, and you'll be able to change your display name on X profile. Check that your profile now shows the updated username and display name. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.